Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva horizontal. To begin, open Canva and click Create a Design in the top right corner. You can then choose a custom size or select a pre-existing horizontal template. For example, input dimensions such as 1920 by 1080 pixels for a standard landscape video. Alternatively, selecting a presentation or banner template will automatically provide a horizontal layout for your project. If you already have a design and wish to change its orientation, open it in the Canva editor. Look for the magic switch or resize option, usually found in the top menu bar. Here, you can input new horizontal dimensions, such as 1280 by 720 pixels, which is a common landscape size. After entering your desired measurements, simply confirm the changes to transform your design into a horizontal layout. Canva offers a vast array of pre-designed horizontal templates to streamline your creative process. You can easily browse categories such as presentations, banners, or Facebook covers to find suitable options. Once you select a template that fits your vision, you can then fully customize it. This includes adding your own text, images, and brand colors, making it uniquely yours in a horizontal format. When working with horizontal designs, remember to utilize the wider canvas to spread out your elements effectively, creating a sense of balance. Consider using a grid system to maintain organization and visual harmony across your layout. Always ensure that your text is easily legible and that any images you use are of high resolution for a professional finish. Finally, preview your design on various devices to confirm it looks great everywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.